Hi, how you going? Just showing you how to operate this fancy coffee machine. Firstly, need to obviously insert the coffee grinder catcher. The coffee machine will not operate without this being inserted into its position right here. Select your coffee of choice, which I will go a latte. The screen right now has shown up that the water tank is empty and that we need to fill the tank. So to do that, it's just this compartment here. Most important, need to use filtered water, which this is from the fridge. So just tip the filtered water into the top up here, which will fill the tank. You can see the filtered water gauge down here, so it's up to this level. That's the maximum level up top. And as the screen does say, we are ready to make a coffee. And always check that we do have coffee beans at the top in here, which we do. And on the side of this coffee machine, we have got the grind size of the coffee. So when I turn this dial here, you can see the coffee grind size is changing. So for us now, we will go for a 14. And I will press grind. That is ready to go. I will now insert it into this section here. That is in position, the Loctite position. I'll insert the cup underneath. You can change this to a single, a double, or custom, but for us, we will do a single brew. That single shot is ready. The coffee machine will stop by itself. And that is the coffee side done. Once you have made your coffee, we've got to take this insert out to make sure we clean it for next time. So it's just in this little bin here. Give it a tap. That is most of the coffee out, and give it a quick clean. Once you've cleaned your insert, make sure you do wipe underneath where the insert did go for the coffee to come out and grind, just for next time, to make sure this section here doesn't get clogged up with coffee. To operate the milk frother, it's on the right hand side of the screen here. We can change the temp and the froth in the milk. So we've got it set to temp at the moment. We can slide this dial from left to right, and that will change the temperature on the screen here. So we will set this to 60 degrees right now. We will change the froth, same as before, left, right. So we'll put our option to 6. With our cup, you got to lift this spout here with the milk frother, the cup goes, and insert it like so. Lift the lever down and leave the cup right there. Now we will press milk and then we start frothing. That is finished. Your milk is nice and frothy and to the right degrees that you have set it at. But we've got to make sure that you do lower this because it will do a self-clean. That's done, and also make sure that you give the end a bit of a clean for the next use.